Hey you guys, so today's tutorial slash review will be about Pressy G's new hair butter. If you want to see how I got this twist out, stay tuned. First thing I gotta say is this butter smells amazing, you guys. And it's very lightweight, which my hair loves because heavy products tend to weigh it down. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sectioning off my hair, and once I section it off and I have a little section, I'm gonna spray it with a water bottle full of water. I don't have anything else in there but water. But once I get the hair nice and wet, then I go and add a little bit of the butter. I like to work with a little bit of at a time because once again, I've never used it. I don't know how my hair will react. So I just, do a little bit at a time. And I like to brush the product in to get it all into the hair before I start twisting. And I must say that so far, I don't feel like it's too heavy. This section of my hair, I did not add too much water because I wanted it to be, twist out on stretched out hair. But as I worked along, I realized that my hair needs a little bit more water to really soak in the product. So that's my personal opinion. I prefer more water before applying any product to my hair. I'm going to repeat these same steps on the other side of my head, and then once I'm all done, I'll be back. Now I'm all done twisted up, and I have the perm rods at the end. I'm going to use a small little scrunchie to tie my hair to the back, and then I'm going to throw a silk scarf on and let my hair dry. Now I'm back and I'm ready to take down these twists. And look at this curl, you guys. I love it. Now I'm going to take down all the perm rods before I start to unravel my twists. Now I'm clipping away some of the hair so it won't get in my way. And time to untwist. And as you can see, this side is the one I first started with where I didn't put a lot of water. So I did not get as much definition as I'd like. But hopefully the other sides come out more defined. As I continued to unravel my twists, I realized the sections that had more water before applying the product came out more defined. So definitely I would recommend that you apply this product on wet hair if you're looking for more definition. Once again, I wanted to give you guys a close-up to see how moisturized my hair is using this product. I absolutely love the moisture and shine that it gives. As you can see here, look at these curls. These curl patterns are so much more defined than the other side where I used less water before applying the product. I will share a little confession with you guys. A twist out is not my strength. I'm trying to be gentle as I take this down, but I must admit I messed up quite a few times taking down these twists. I can see it in your eyes. Now I'm going to grab my hair pick and fluff out my roots to bring more volume. I'm not gonna lie to you, that section that I did not add more water to is driving me crazy. But we're just gonna make do with what we have and keep going. Another thing I want to share is I absolutely wish that I had more time to let these twists stay in for at least 24 hours for better definition. But my hair did not turn out bad. I think it's cute. I like it. Not bad at all. Now for that uneven side that's driving me crazy, I have a little hair hack. And I'm grabbing a bobby pin so I can pin the hair underneath, pin it up to elevate it to balance it out. And I must admit, not too bad, not too shabby at all. Now I'm going to lay my edges using Pressy G's Edge Mastery. And another confession, you guys may know already, I am not that good with the slaying the edges. So I'm just going to lay my edges down and, bring out a little bit of baby hair and call it a day. And that's it. I am going to say that I do love my results. My hair is nice, moisturized, left full of body, and smells amazing. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and thank you for watching.